freedom of food, anywhere, anytime. Introducing Heatbox, the self-heating lunchbox. An amazing device that enables you to enjoy a warm and healthy meal anywhere, anytime. Heatbox uses autonomous steaming technology to heat up your meals. It's rechargeable and can be used up to 3 times on a single charge. Your meals keep their nutrients and taste delicious every single time. Heatbox is the perfect companion for everyday commuting. Its unique shape and design make it easy to carry along while being on the go. We've made Heatbox leak-proof. It has a patent-pending double sealing mechanism, preventing any substance from leaking into your bag. Abandon unhealthy and expensive takeout food and start using Heatbox to advance your healthy yet tasty lifestyle. Heatbox is also smart, as it is app-connected and controllable. Use the app to select the right steaming programs and explore a wide range of meals to prepare. There are unlimited types of food and delicious recipes, so why limit yourself?